This is a general overview of the Oseis software, project management software. Your icon will look like this over here, and it'll say shortcut to Oseis Master. We have three different folders, one being shortcut to pending, Oseis sync files. It may be named something similar but different, it's like sync files Oseis, or shortcut to OSD files, or it'll just say OSD files Oseis. To open the program, we double click this icon here for the shortcut to Oseis Master, and it'll actually open the Oseis software. At this time that it's taking a minute to open, it's checking the internet for a more current version. If there is a more current version, it'll ask you to update your program. Otherwise, it'll come to the start window. You have two options. One is to start with the database you last used, or you could start without opening a database. If you're only running one project, you can automatically open the last project. The first screen that you come to is the map. And with the map, you can see the different status of each hole. And you can see here that this is the pre-plot of a project. If you were to click on a hole that is black, it will show that it is a designed hole, meaning it is ready to be drilled. If the hole is blue, that means it is a fired hole. It means it has been successfully shot in production. And a green means that it's loaded. That means it has been drilled already. You have many different tools to use with the map. This tool here will allow you to zoom in to a specified area, or you could use your magnifying glass to zoom out or zoom in. If you use this button, the View All button, it will zoom out to where the entire project is viewed in the screen. For example, if you make your screen bigger and use the View All, it will enlarge everything but still keep the project within the viewing window. The Hand or Pan tool will allow you to drag the map in whatever direction you want. So if I were to zoom in on this area and wanted to pan over to see a different part of the project without zooming out, I can do that. Some other tools that could be useful are the polyline tool. This is where you can draw a line in whatever shape you want. And when you double click towards the end, it'll create a polygon. If you print the map now, that line will show up. If you synchronize and send the sync file, it will not show up. So this might be a tool to use for, say, a wet area or a problem area. Here's another tool, a polygon tool. And this automatically completes your circle. Oh, I'm sorry, your polygon. It's not a circle. Say you do that and you don't like it, just simply highlight it, then right click and delete the selected object. Again, click it, right click, delete the selected object. You can also put text in there. And it's very tiny, but you can view it by zooming in. You also have a shot hole tool, and for example, we want to create another shot point. I'm going to zoom in to where we can see the shot point numbers. If you use this tool, it will create a new shot point. Let's say I wanted to put a re-drill in here. We input the number, and now we have the shot point tool. As soon as you click it, creates a hole. Now it's important to immediately go get the pointer so you don't create accidental holes like so. But again, if you do, just click on it, delete selected object, click on it, delete selected object. You can also delete other holes. Like this one here is blue, it's already been shot. You can delete it. So be careful when using that feature.